So in this video, I'm going to share with you a conversation that I had with a dear friend of mine. There's a lot of wisdom in the conversation that we had, and I believe also you'll benefit from it. So I thought I could just share some of that and that you may feel inspired.
It's really amazing.
Yeah, and of course, you asked me yesterday about one of the videos that I uploaded.
Yeah.
You know that once you create a video, it's like it is your own property, it is your intellectual property. It's like a book, a mini book, whereby people, when they are searching, as you already know, we have two main search engines, Google and YouTube. Those are the two main search engines that we have. So if people go on YouTube, or people go, even actually these days when you go on Google to search anything, they give you where you can read something, but also they give you videos that are related to the thing that you're trying to look for. So if one is strategic, when you're creating a video, intentional, when you're creating a video that it is evergreen, especially in your field that you're in, finance and stuff, it is evergreen. You know, the same situation that we go through now, I believe 5, 10, 20, 30 years from now, if we're intentional on creating certain videos, someone will still find that video. And I believe probably when you're watching videos, sometimes they recommend you videos that are 10 years old, 15 years old. And each time you watch that video and there's an advert in that video, that person who created it, they still earn from that video they made years ago. So that's the power of YouTube.
Wow.
Yep. I know for us, Agatha, you know, how we grew up, you know, there's and it's not that we shouldn't work hard, but we've been engraved in our mind that to be able to push forward financially, we need to work hard. And they've not taught us how could we combine working hard but also working smart. You understand? So for us, we're all about, as long as I go there out, work hard, 5 days a week, 9 to 5, get a paycheck, that's it. But there's more to that. There's more to that where we can leverage our skills, our knowledge, and amplify our reach. Anyone who wants to become wealthy, you need to find a way. How can I amplify or extend myself through other people? How can I, because we have 24 hours in a day, there's no way you can become wealthy, really wealthy, like something that you can pass to the next generation, if your money is tied to your time. Unless in an hour, I know some CEOs, maybe in the US, their hour is, they pay them a lot of money. But for us, you know, you need to find a way, how much could I earn by stretching myself? For example, I create one thing, but many people can watch it. Or I create a book, many people can read it. You know, so that's the kind of mentality that I'm passing on to the children. Yes, it's good to go to school, learn the skills, communication and all of that, but there's more to life than just looking for a job, right? So I try to inspire them, because time comes that you slow down, you know, your health, because we're growing older, you start kind of slowing down. And even in our later years, probably you've finished working for people and maybe you're retired. In that period of, as you grow older, your expenses even go up, right? You start feeling aches in the body, so you have to see a doctor and all of that. What if we created something from when we were younger that could still actually increase in its value as we grow older? That would be good. It could be if we created a channel and one is dedicated to doing something every time, like value add, or a book one writes, or a business. These are things that grow. They are not stagnant, you know? They are not stagnant. So we are even able to integrate our children into any of those things that we're trying to do. That's the difference between paid income and one that you create for yourself. It is you who runs the show, you understand? So it is nice that you reached out to see how you could start a YouTube channel. And also I say sometimes I wish I started maybe in 2016, because I saw many young guys who started around that time and now they're in 4 million and they earn a lot of money. I'm like, oh my God, why didn't I do that? You know?
Oh, wow.
And I don't like being, being in the state of regret. Like, I wish I had started before, but it's never late. It's never late. One thing that I've known, for us who are Christian, one thing that I've known is God has a time and season for things to happen. And the Lord usually draws our attention to that He created us for a purpose. So you reaching out to ask about YouTube channel, I want to start one. Probably that's the season that the Lord wants you to start something, to share your knowledge, to encourage someone who is in debt. How can you get out of debt? How can you be financially independent? How can you create a budget? How can you leverage your salary to begin a business? So I believe there's a lot of knowledge that you do have. Please subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about motivating people to start businesses, encouraging people to become the best version of themselves, and also helping you how to manage your money, how to get the best out of your hard-earned money. So if that resonates with you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it